Hey there! Welcome back. Today's phrasal verb is bargain down. To bargain down means to persuade someone to lower the price of something, often by negotiating. Let's see it in action. Alan wants a gym membership, but he is not sure he will like it. He asks the gym manager to get a discount for the first month. The manager agrees, and so Alan bargained down the first month's price by 50%. Think of it as negotiating, so the number goes down. Time for a quick quiz. Which sentence correctly uses bargain down? A. I bargained down the price at the market. B. I bargained down my homework. C. I bargained down to the beach. The correct answer is A. I bargained down the price at the market. Great job! Like, subscribe, and comment with your own sentence using bargain down.